Welcome to Crypto Expert Zone. I'm going to show you how you can connect your BSC wallet to cPEN network. Here, let us look at the handle on X for the 3rd of recent. The KYC deadline extended. Hi, a cPEN network committee. We have heard you to a high demand. We are extending the KYC and BSC wallet submission deadline by 5 days to March 16. Updated timeline. KYC and wallet submission March 16. And look at the time. And cPEN token distribution started March 30th, 2025. Now the listing date is early April. We never know, is it first week or second week or third week. We are actively working on CEX listing, but due to the current market condition, we cannot confirm the date yet. We will keep you posting on any progress. We appreciate your patience and support. Together we are building something great. Now, make sure that you connect your wallet before this day they are mentioned, 16th March 2025. It's very important. Now, we are going to the wallet they are required. Now, before I take you to the wallet, have it in mind that what they need is Web3 wallet address, BSC. Let us go to our Trust Wallet. I'm going to use Trust Wallet. It's example of Web3. You can use MetaMask or Trust Wallet or any Web3. But I'm going to make use of Trust Wallet on this video. Let's go on Trust Wallet. Here is my Trust Wallet. Let us wait for a while. Let it load. This is my Trust Wallet. As you can see, the one they requested for you to copy the wallet address and submit it on your cPEN network is BNB Smart Chain Contact. How will you know the one? Because the first one here that is showing BNB backbone chain is not the one they request. It's the one you are seeing BNB Smart Chain. Look at it here. This is the wallet they require for you. Come for it, receive, click receive, copy the wallet address. Then it go to your cPEN app. Look at my cPEN app here. Please excuse the patient, let it load. Okay. Now, the moment you open your cPEN app, by your left hand side, you see 3 icons. You click the 3 icon. Now, as you can see, my KYC is verified already. Now, for you to be verified on your KYC, make sure that your stick, as you are seeing the time factor here, is 17 and 53. As you're reading, under it you see stick 11. The stake that I am is 11, which means it's this month so far. I never skip any single day. Now make sure that your own is 5 before you do your KYC by selfie. Now let us go a place that you can submit your wallet address. You go back to that place. Look at it. Now you are seeing wallet, you click wallet. Now here I've already submitted mine, but due to this video I'm going to remove it and redo it so that you understand the method. I remove the wallet and submit the one I copied from my Trust Wallet. Look at it here. I copy it again. From my Trust Wallet. I copy it again. I have to go back to the app and submit it inside the space provided. As you can see, I've already saved. Now I'm good to go. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Try and subscribe and turn your notification bell for the next video.